I am Alvin Altares, the SK chairperson of Barangay Warsho, and kasama ko po ang aking SK secretary na si Jerica Esita. For our SK budget this 2025, it's 1,481,839 and 15 centavos. And we included the 7 centers of participation in our budget, namely education, active citizenship, governance, health, environment, peace building and security, and social inclusion and equity. Under the education, we have the school supplies distribution for college students, as well as the for the governance, we have the Silang Kabataan Leadership Training for us as SK official, and we also included our volunteers. We also have the KK Assembly, Linggo ng Kabataan, that we will celebrate on the month of August. Next, under health, we have the Sexual and Reproductive Health Awareness Campaign and the Trust the Process for the Mental Health. Under the environment, we have the distribution of disaster risk reduction food supply in case of catastrophic events po na mangyari. At least we have the emergency fund for our constituents. Next, for peace building and security, we have the first aid and basic life support training and the Kabataan Ayaw sa Droga program. And lastly, for social inclusion and equity, we have the SOGI Laglaban Tayo for this year.
Madam Chair. Yes, Councilor Daza. Thank you very much. Councilor Castello, actually, if
I would like to.
Councilor Daza.
Madam Chair, this is not a question, but SK Chairman Alvin Altares, I have been a living witness to the numerous accomplishments, katulad po ng programang pangkalikasan, and of course yung kanilang art contest, at nung linggo ng wika, at marami pang mga programa na kanilang ipinapatupad sa Barangay Warsho na tunay na pinakikinabangan ng ating mga mamamayan, lalo-lalo na po ng mga kabataan. Kaya, Madam Chair, I am 100% supporting the budget as presented by SK Chairman Alvin Altares. Thank you.
Madam Chair, can I ask something? Madam, ngayon, July 30 na ngayon, ang pinapa-approve ninyo ay budget ng 2025. So anong dahilan? Kasi ako para sa akin, kasama sa tungkulin ng mga konseho, katulad namin, na yung timely approval ng budget para yung mga proyekto ay hindi rin nadidelay. Katulad niyan, kanina binanggit nyo, meron kayong pondo para sa summer camp. Pero tag-ulan na, paano pa natin ma-implement yan? Ano ang dahilan kung bakit meron delay sa pag-apply ninyo ng approval ng inyong budget? First po, for the inconvenience din po na-delay po yung budget namin. But last year po, naasikaso na po namin siya by the month of November. And then nagkaroon nga po ng election, that's why hindi po namin siya naasikaso. And ako din po, I admit din personally na naging busy po since I am a teacher po. Hindi po 100% na natutukan po yung budget namin to approve before po the election this year.
Councilor Castello. Actually, I think it will be the same question for all of the barangay officials who are introducing their budget today. Dahil medyo maraming annual budgets pa yung naiwan. It's the same question. Although we understand that merong election na nangyari and there has been an election ban, siguro initially we'd like to remind you that already July kasi. So, not to pinpoint, not to point fingers, sorry, but to take on the responsibility of preparing the budget and syempre ang apektado ay yung inyong constituents. For example, summer camp, meron din dito, tapos ay summer, yung love point of Councilor Castello is if there are ways that we can also help you to expedite the process or at least do it on time, we will gladly coordinate with the offices. So there, I think
Madam Chair.
the
Sa akin lang gusto ko lang i-ano na pangalawahan yung sinabi ninyo na dapat hindi Quezon City ang council ang may control talaga sa timely na submission ng inyong budget. Kung nagkaroon ng election, di ba, dapat mas nasabit natin na maaga. Kasi kung hindi ako nagkakamali, pagkakaalala mo dapat October pa lang ata, na isasabit na ng barangay and SK yung kanilang annual budget. So kung November nyo pa lang nasimulan, di ba talaga magkakaroon ng delay sa approval ng budget. So para sa akin, sana maging kung ano yung naging problema last year ninyo, sana wag maulit next year, di ba? Pag-submit tayo na sa tamang oras, nasa ganun, ma-aprobahan din sa tamang oras, nasa ganun yung servisyo na ibibigay ninyo sa mga kapwa ninyo SK, na ibibigay ninyo, hindi rin nagkakaroon ng delay. So yun lang po, Madam Chair.
thank you, Councilor Castelo. Councilor Herrera?
Thank you. Madam Chair, SK, may tanong ako na, nabanggit mo na part of your program is may mental health program ka. Anong target age mo for this program and what program is this?
For under mental health awareness po, ang indicator po namin is from 12 years old and above po. And yung mental health awareness po namin, kinakandak po namin siya through psychiatrist po, psychologist. Sila po yung nagkakandak mismo nung seminar. And after the seminar, meron po kami one-on-one talk. Kung sino po yung willing mag-share or mag-offer, humingi po ng advice doon.
This is a very good program, ano, SK, kaya I really commend you for that. Malaking budget for it. How much did you set aside for this program?
Limited lang din po yung budget namin. And I think po yung lahat ko pong budget doon, enough naman po siya.
Okay, that's good. So mayroon ka ng psychiatrist who will help you on your program.
Yes po, bali 3 years na po namin siyang ginagawa ngayon po.
Okay, that's good. Pero if you need further help from the city, you can always approach me or other councilors kasi ako talagang pinagtutuunan ko ng pansin yung program na yan. Ha? Thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Councilor Liban?
Tanong ko lang, di ba 2025 ang ina-aproba natin? Nung na-release ba yung budget ng barangay, yung share nyo, ito dapat yun di ba? Dapat nakuha nyo na kaagad nung pag-release ng barangay budget for 2025. So, can you explain bakit tumagal ng ganito? Not because wala ka, ngayon nyo lang nasubmit. Ano yan madali lang maggawa ng budget Pero yung share, kasi maraming lumalapit sa aking SK, hindi raw nila nakukuha yung share nila. And this is close to that yung late na, di ba? Late na Can you explain that? Bakit, kung nakuha nyo yung share nyo sa barangay budget?
Regarding po dun sa transfer,